Meaning of decrepit.
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 Decrepit. The word decrepit refers to something that is in a state of disrepair or decline, typically due to age or neglect. It suggests a lack of strength, vitality, or usefulness. When something or someone is described as decrepit, it implies that they are no longer functioning at their fullest potential and may be on the verge of collapse or failure. This term often connotes a sense of sadness or pity, as it suggests that something once great has now become feeble and helpless. In short, decrepit describes something that is worn out, dilapidated, or in poor condition due to neglect or misuse.